Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make puff puff, and this is a very sweet and easy to make puff puff. You can make this for a business or for a party. So to begin, we'll be needing an empty bowl, a sieve, then I'll be measuring 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you sieve it because this aspect is very important. See what comes out of it. Then pour it in an empty bowl. Then we are going to mix everything together. Add half cup of sugar, a teaspoon of yeast, just a teaspoon, then half teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of milk. I'm using powder milk. Then you mix everything together. I'm going to use warm water, not hot water. The water that you know your hand can enter and it will not burn you. Water that is not hot at all, just warm water. I'm using this because it makes the puff puff to rise on time. So mix everything together. I use about a cup and a half to mix this. Now I'm done mixing everything together. I'm going to cover it and keep it aside to rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what we have. That's double in size, and I'm going to mix it properly again before frying. Mix it very well to see that everything is well combined before frying it. The oil is already on the fire, so now is to start frying our puff puff. If today is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and also drop your comments. And to my old subscribers, you are all welcome back to my channel. Please drop your comments, like and share with family and friends. Thank you. At this point, I will need to start flipping the puff puff to ensure that both sides is well fried. This is ready and I'm going to take them off. The puff puff is looking so beautiful, and not only that, it tastes so nice and sweet. I'm going to fry the second half of the puff puff, and I'll be adding onion and pepper. I'm going to mix it and fry it. You can fry your puff puff in this way. You can also use powder pepper if you don't have fresh pepper at all. Now we are going to start frying it. Believe me, this also came out perfect and tasty. It's not a must you use milk in your puff puff. You can also use milk flavor and still get same results. Puff puff is a good business. You can supply small chops in a party. You can also do it for your family. You can also use it to entertain friends because it's so simple to make and the recipe to use are so easy to get. At this point, I'll flip it and both sides is well fried, and I'm going to take it off from the oil. Looking so beautiful and brownish in color. I just like the golden color of this puff puff. I cannot trade it for anything. The aroma was everywhere in the house. Please try and give it a try, and I know you're going to like it. Again, I want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. And please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Help me grow. Together we can grow this page. Thank you for watching. Imagine, just see the puff puff, the one with pepper. And I'm going to open another one, the one I fried without pepper. It all came out so beautiful and sweet. Thank you for watching. See you some other time when I post my next video. Bye bye.